Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today, we're back to continue working on our Wix blog site, and in this video, we're going to be beautifying our Wix blog site's homepage. So, let's get started. The first thing I'd like to do is to set my website's fonts and color theme so that we get consistent fonts and a branding color all throughout our website. So to do that, I'm going to go to the Site Design button, and I'm going to start with, my color theme. But actually, before I get to pick my colors, I actually already created a color palette that I could use so that I have something to color pick on. Because right here on Wix, I don't think you can choose a color code for something. I've actually tried this before. So if I do something like that, it's not going to select my color. So instead, I'm going to use the color picker tool. That's why I need to upload my color palette first. So I'm going to go to Media. I'm going to go to Upload Media. I'm going to click on Upload from Computer and select my color palette over here. I actually created this color palette in Canva, and I selected these colors before I started making my website because, yeah, I just would like to prepare my color theme for this site. So I'm going to click on Add to Page, and there it is. I'm just going to put it here because we're going to be deleting that right after we finish um, color picking from them. So I'm going to go back to my Site Design button and go to Color Theme. And now I'm going to start adding colors to our website. So I'm going to start with this first and select the color picker button and pick this color over here so that it becomes like that. And then let's click on apply. And we're going to do the same thing to the others over here until we finish creating our color palette for our website. And there we go. Now I'd like to go to Advanced Settings, and I'd like to change our secondary background to this. And I'd like to change our lines and dividers into this. And for the others, I think that should be it. Yeah. So I'm gonna go back now and work on my text theme. So I'm going to select a font that I'd like to be a font for my heading font. And for my paragraph font, I think I'm okay with this one. Oh, maybe something else. Okay. And let's click on Change Text Theme. And there we go. But you can also scroll down and look for other text themes here. Perhaps this one's okay. I think I like this one. Okay, so let's change. I've changed my mind. I'm gonna go with this one instead. And we're done selecting our text theme for the page background. I think I'm okay with this. It's simple. So I'm not gonna do anything to that. But if you'd like to set it up, go ahead and do so. For the page transitions, feel free to select whatever transition you'd like to use. I think I'd like to use crossfade, so that should be okay. All right, now I'd like to add a logo to my website. But first, let's delete this since we don't need that anymore. Anyway, basically, I'm going to add a logo. So I'm going to be rearranging my elements here on my header. So I'm just going to simply move this somewhere over here. And this one over here. Okay, I'll put that there first to make it easier to work on. Just make sure that when you're arranging elements on your header, even on your footer or anywhere on your page, make sure that you don't place your elements beyond the grid lines. Because ensuring that your elements are within the grid lines help us to make sure that your elements remain viewable across all devices. So I'd like to put my logo somewhere over here on the left. I just want to adjust my header a bit, make it bigger, like that. Okay, I'm gonna start uploading my logo. So I'm gonna go to Media, and I'm gonna go to Upload once again. Upload from computer, and upload my logo over here. And click on Add to Page. So this is our logo. First, I'd like to crop it, so I'm going to click on the Crop button and crop it just like that. And click on Apply. Now I'm going to resize it and place it to our header. Now I'm going to adjust the size of our header just like that. Perhaps we should bring these elements down a bit. There, I think I'm quite happy with it. Now I'm going to replace this image over here, so I'm going to click on it and click on Change Background. You can select a color, an image, or a video. It depends on you. I'm going to upload a media. I got these media files from Pixabay, by the way. So I'm going to be uploading all of these so that it would be easier for me to choose photos to use later on. So I'm going to select which ones would look good as the cover. I think this one looks nice. And over here, I'd like to change its color to white. Let's try to see how it would look like. And in order for it to be easily visible, I'm going to try to add an effect to it. What about a shadow effect? And I'm going to edit the text here. And basically, I'm just going to edit it in a way that it'll fit within our grid line. So now we're done with this section. We're going to move on over here. This is where your posts will show. For the button, I'm going to change its design, customize design, and change its fill color. Perhaps I do need my color palette once again. I'm going to go to Media and put my color palette over here. I'm going to click on my button again and click on Design. Click on Customize Design, fill color and opacity, select a fill color, and there. And I'm going to move this below because next I'm going to be working on our footer. But first, I'm going to adjust its space. Same for this one. Okay, so I'm going to click on my footer now and click on Change Footer Design. I'm going to click on Fill Color and Opacity, and I'm going to select this as the background of my footer. I'm going to delete the elements here that I don't need. I'm going to copy this and paste it here. By the way, it would be much better for you if you have a transparent PNG logo so that it would look nice. In my case, I created this logo on Canva, and I'm not subscribed to Canva's premium plans. So that's why I could only download it with a white background, and it doesn't look just as good as it would if it had a transparent background. So I advise that for your logos, as much as possible, it would be nice for it to have a transparent background. And there we go. I think I'm quite happy with the elements over here, so I'm not going to be moving that. And you might notice that you have a social bar over here. So if you'd like to learn how to insert your links to this social bar, click on Set Social Links. Click on a social media platform, and on the right side panel of this window, you'll be able to see this link button. So click on it and insert your link over here and click on Done. If you like, you can also replace your icon by clicking on Replace. And for example, that was for Facebook, so type in Facebook here. And select a variation you'd like to use and click on Choose Image. Just make sure that your icons are uniformed so that they look nice. And once you're done setting up everything, click on Done. And I'm gonna delete this picture right now. And there we go. So this is our home page. So far, I think it's okay. Once you publish your blog posts, they'll show up right over here. And that's it. We've successfully designed our Wix blog site's homepage. Next up, we're going to be designing the other web pages of our blog, so stay tuned for that. And we hope you found today's video of help somehow. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching.